In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a folder to an email in Microsoft Outlook. Here's the key idea up front. Outlook can't attach an entire folder as is. The quick workaround is to compress the folder into a single zip file, then attach that zip to your email. I'll walk you through that from start to finish. Open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook, and click the official Microsoft Outlook website in the results. If you're prompted, sign in to your account. Once your inbox loads, click New Mail to open a blank message. Now let's prepare the folder you want to send. Switch to your computer's file manager and locate the folder you want to attach. Right-click the folder. In the menu that appears, hover over the option that says Compress to, and then choose Zip File. Your computer will create a new zip file in the same location, usually with the same name as the folder. If you like, you can rename the zip so it's clear to the recipient what it contains. Zipping not only makes the folder attachable, it also helps reduce the overall size. Head back to your Outlook Compose window. At the top of the message, select Insert, then choose Attach File. From the options, pick Browse this computer. A file picker will open. Navigate to the location where you just created the zip file, click it to select, and confirm to attach. You'll see the zip appear beneath the subject line of your email, showing it's ready to send. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If your zip is very large, Outlook may suggest sending it via cloud storage instead of a traditional attachment. That's normal, and it helps ensure the recipient can download it without hitting email size limits. If you run into a size warning, consider removing any unneeded files from the folder and creating a smaller zip. Also, keep in mind that some organizations block certain file types inside zips. If your recipient can't open it, ask them if they need the files shared via a link instead. Finally, add your recipient, subject, and a short message describing what's inside the zip so they know what to expect. Give the attachment a moment to finish uploading before you send, especially on slower connections. And that's all there is to it. You searched for Outlook, opened a new email, compressed your folder into a zip, and attached it from your computer. Simple, reliable, and perfect for sending an entire set of files in one go.